Good afternoon, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. Today we have an unboxing and a giveaway. So we're going to do a two-part video here today. So it's Thursday, January 5th, 2023. And I got a box that I kind of ordered late. It was sale items, miscellaneous sale items. From who? Doesn't tell me who. I want to say it was Italian Barber. I really want to say it was Italian Barber. But, and I've already opened the box so I can take the peanuts out. But anyway, I want to show you the few miscellaneous sale items I got during the Christmas sale, all this pre-Christmas sales. One sale kind of hit me with a few odds and end things. I just want to do fill-in stuff. So no equipment per se, but you'll see. So here's the few items. I got like four things. So the items I have are as follows. I got a leather cover. It's a cover for a double-edged safety razor. And that one says, yeah, Razor Rock. So yeah, that tells me Italian Barber. So yeah, there we go. Then I also got something I haven't tried before, but I wanted to try this brand, and they were on sale. So yeah, I got them. I got the Feather artisan style blades. So Feather. Did it right side up, upside down? Where's the English? Doesn't say it in English. It's all in Japanese. Okay. But basically, these are the feathers for the artisan style blades. Next, I also, on that theme, I run out of Feather DE blades, and I was going to buy like a 10 or 20 pack of them, and that'd be enough, but they had a 100 pack for like dirt money. It was like $15 something for 100, and I was probably going to have to pay that to get like a 20 pack. So yeah, I bought the whole 100 pack. So yeah, I got 10 packs of Feather blades. So not that I use them a lot. This will last me years, but I wanted some, so because I didn't have any, because I want to. I like to test out new razors. I've got that couple of new razors for Christmas there. I'd like to try it out on. In fact, I might try one of those this weekend. So we'll see. That's another story. But the last item I got was I got a new pre-shave soap. Here's my current brick from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Just hold it up straight so you can see it. And it's like half size, probably maybe about half size. Because I've been using it for a while. I use it pretty much just about every shave. Not every shave, but just about every shave I use it. I'd say 90% of my shaves are pre-shave soap with that. If I'm not using that, I'm using the soap that I whipped up itself as the pre-shave face wash. So what I got instead this time, just to try something different, because I've always used that, I've got nothing to compare it to. I got a glycine soap. This was on sale. So on size-wise, it's probably about the size, thereabouts of like half one of these. So it's not huge. It's comfortable in the hand. It's round. It's easy to do. Not that the square is hard at all either. It really isn't. But I just wanted to try this. I had good things about it. Wanted to try it. I wanted to compare it. How does it compare to the Phoenix? Very pleased with the Phoenix as a pre-shave or as a leave-on for add a little slickness to a less worthy soap, shall we say. So yeah, I wanted to try that. So yeah, we'll give that a shot. So those are the items I purchased. Now, okay, let me talk about the hat. Okay, yeah, you never see me wear a hat in the house. I don't wear a hat in the house. But I've noticed a few of my fellow shaving enthusiasts been wearing the old Boston Scally caps. So yeah, I figured I'd wear one of mine. I got a couple. Got them this year. This is just my beat around. This is a wool cap. I use you can get pins there, so I got a pin. Had to buy a pin keepers to keep it on because the pins don't stay on by themselves. Fall off like within an hour. So the pin, yeah. So if you do buy a Scally and you get the pin, make sure you buy the pin keepers to put on as well. I had a bunch just because being a motorcycle enthusiast, you have to keep all those pins on your vest tight on there too. So yeah, I had them. So yeah, but I like this one, and this one does fit a little different. This one's snugger. I can't remember the model of this one, but the model of my newest one I got for Christmas, my son got me, is the Peaky Blinders version. It's the Peaky cap, and it's so with the same measurements, it goes into like a slightly different size, and it's a little bit this one's very snug, but not to the snug of discomfort. It's just snug, and so high wind, this is not coming off. But the other one I got is a little less snug. Still fits on great. I mean, really, the hats fit really nice, but just a different feel, a different fit. So the different models fit differently. Just thought I'd point that out. Now, okay, I've made you hold on long enough. The giveaway. For the giveaway, today is Thursday. I'm going to say next Friday, midnight Eastern Standard Time. So that's my time. I'm in North Carolina. So yeah, Eastern Standard Time next Friday, midnight will be the deadline. You to enter, reply on this video. Reply with the word entry. That's all. Just enter the word entry. So if you put that on there, you'll be in the drawing. Now the drawing is, I've kind of showed you, it's a whole bunch of the samples that I show you. I've taken a spoon and I've scooped out one use of it, so it's what's left. So it's, you've got 2 to 4 different uses still left in those little samples. So that's what I'm going to send you the samples. And now I'm also going to send, this is going to be for ground shipping only. So if I can ground ship to you from the US, okay. If not, then you're going to be disqualified. I can't ship to you because I'm going to have aftershave samples in there too. So for that, now let's not do that. I changed my mind. Anybody can enter this contest. If you win from overseas, I just want to send you the aftershave samples. Well, I'll give that away separately. So anybody can enter. It's open to everybody for the soap samples, but only ground shipping destinations from North Carolina will be able to get the aftershave samples as well. I've got a nice little 6x6 cube little box there to put everything in and pat it up and what have you. So if it's ground shipping, all about it. And if it's not ground shipping, you just won't get the alcohol for the aftershave samples. That's all. That'll be the only difference. So yeah, that way we'll open up to everybody. Why not? Why not? We'll make it simple. Anybody can enter. And with that, hope you enjoyed my unboxing, the hat, and hopefully good luck to you with the giveaway. Bye for now. Go with God.